Hey, here's question 1.2.11. It says to find the independent term, it says given the independent term is 1584, find the k right here, the k that makes that happen. And actually it says to find the values. So I'm pretty sure we're going to get a quadratic of some sort. Anytime it says values in an IB, I'd be wary. You're probably going to be factoring or at least given a quadratic. Alright, so let's start this. We have 1 plus x cubed. And then this expansion, we're going to start with 2 over x to the 6th. So this term is going to get all of the powers. And I'm not going to expand everything. I'm not going to find the coefficients because I think that's inefficient. I'm going to figure out when I get an independent term, and then I'll find just those coefficients. So now this one is only going to get 5 powers, so that's x to the 5th. And this one's going to get 1 of them. So that's x squared, and let's just put an a1 in here. That will denote our coefficient. So then we'll have a2. We'll have x to the 4th. This one's going to get 4 of them, and then this one will get 2 of them. So that's x squared squared. So that's also x to the 4th, and then we'll get a3. So this one will get x cubed. And you can see the pattern now. We have x to the 0, x to the 2, x to the 4. This will be 6, and this will be 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then an 8, and dot, dot, dot. We don't even need any more because I think hopefully you realize that we've seen our constant terms, and then our only constant terms, which come from, this is x squared over x to the 5th. Those will cancel and we'll be left with 1 over x cubed. So that multiplied with this will give us a constant term. Also, we have x to the 4th over x to the 4th. That gives us 1, and 1 times that will give us a constant term as well. So all we need to do is find a1 and a2, and that should be it. So a1 equals, so this is 6, choose 0, this is 6, choose 1, and then we have 2 over x to the 5th, and kx squared to the 1. And a2 will be, this is 6, choose 2, 2 over x to the 4, kx squared squared. So now, a1 plus a2 should equal 1584. So 6 choose 1 is 6. And then we have 2 to the 5th, which is 32. K plus, we could ignore the x's because we know that it's just going to cancel and end up with 1 over x cubed, which will cancel with this x cubed. And then a2 will be 6 choose 2. We'll go over here and do that. 6, math prob number 3, 2, 6 choose 2 is 15. So that's 15. 2 to the 4th, 16. K squared, and that should be 1584. So let's just go straight to the calculator now. We have y equals 6 times 32 x plus 15 times 16 x squared. Oh, sorry, this should be 1584. Almost made a mistake. 1584. And bring that to the other side. We get minus 1584. You can do intersect. You can do 0, but I like to do intersect, so I'll put in 0 in for y2. And then let's go zoom fit. And you'll see this graph here. Let's go second calc. Go down to intersect instead of 0. It's just a little bit faster. Push enter, enter, enter. and you'll be left with x equals 2.2. And we'll go find the other one. Scroll over sort of near it, enter, 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 and you have x is -3. And actually those are k equals 2.2 and k equals -3. And those are your two values.